How to transfer money from Afterpay to bank account. For this, open your Afterpay and make sure that your bank is linked to your Afterpay application. If it is not linked, go ahead and tap on Link Bank option and make sure that you are not linking a bank that is actually your saving account, because by that, you won't be able to transfer any money. Now, once you have successfully linked your checking account, to transfer the money, you have to tap on the option of Pay. Right there, you will see the option of Pay Off. Tap on it, then enter the amount of money that you want to add or transfer to your bank account. Once you do this, you have to select a payment method. Select your bank or credit or debit card. Anyway, you have to go ahead and enter information or credential regarding your bank or your credit card. Once you have entered the information regarding to it, it will take about 1 to 2 business days to transfer. If you are facing any issue regarding the transaction, go ahead and contact the customer service or your bank. Also make sure that you are entering or transferring the money minimum of $5 and maximum of $2,000. So check for your credentials, amount of money that you are transferring to your bank account. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.